Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you my October Ipsy Glambag. Okay, and it's $10 a month and it came in this adorable little bag. Each month you get a real pretty bag with your 5 products in it. So I thought this was real pretty for October. Okay, and then I got this color nail polish, and this is a new brand for me, and it is called Sundays, and the color is number 18, and that's what the box looks like. So it kind of looks brown, but when you put it on, it's actually a real pretty burgundy. So that's the first item. Okay, I got this MAC. It's called Lip Glass, and the color is Oh Baby. And I swatched it on my hand, and as you can see, it's a real pretty gold color, real good neutral, especially for the holidays. So I've never tried it, so I'm looking forward to using it. Then I also got this So Susan Cosmetics, and it's a high pigmented eyeshadow, and the color's Mysterious. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a deep purple, real pretty purple. Something that I think my daughter will like trying. And here's the box it came in. And like I said, it's called Mysterious, and it's a bright purple. And then I got this cute little brush with a slant at an angle. She likes to use her eyeshadows, a dark color eyeshadow, and use this brush to make it, to use it as an eyeliner. So she uses a brush lots of times for her eyeliner, and she does a super job, so she'll love that little brush. And then here's something else I got, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I don't know if you've tried it or not, but it has great reviews, so I'm looking forward to trying this. So let's see, an eyeshadow, a brush, a lip gloss, nail polish, and some cream, and this adorable little bag. And they always put a little card in there, and a little note. So like I said, this is my favorite subscription box, and it's only $10 a month. Okay, this is the Walmart beauty box, and it's just a seasonal box, and it's only $5. And so I got this little sample of aloe vera lotion, Nivea brand. My Collagen lip patch. It's kind of neat to try. Got a sample of Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. I think this is the second time they've sent this in their Walmart box, but my daughter likes this conditioner. It's a foaming conditioner. And then this eye gel cream, I've never tried yet. I have tried their cleansing bar, and it's really good. And then they sent Kleenex wet wipes, just a little sample pack. And then mascara, Maybelline Great Lash. And then I got a bubble sheet mask, a black charcoal, so I look forward to trying that. And then they always put a neat little card in it. And like I said, it's seasonal and only $5.